In the last couple of years, I have noticed a lot of videos claiming that AI is taking our jobs, or that AI is becoming an alternative to humans. Is AI really taking our jobs? Or is AI just working as our assistant? In this video, I'll try to find the exact answer by sharing my experience of using AI as a video editor. Let's see, is AI a threat or a tool for video editors? After finishing any of my videos, the first challenge I face is the thumbnail. It's a common struggle for video editors or content creators. Most of the time, I design my YouTube thumbnails myself in After Effects. And nowadays, AI gives me advanced support to create professional looking thumbnails in a short time. Here is how I do it. I just click on the thumbnail maker, an AI tool from UniConverter. I use two different methods to make thumbnails. And the first method is by uploading a draft thumbnail. In the image generator settings, I first make sure thumbnail is selected. Then I upload my rough draft. I type a very simple and common prompt, make this thumbnail interesting and eye-catching. Then I hit generate, wait for a second, and most of the time it gives me a much better version of my existing design. The second method is by sharing details of design I want directly into the prompt without uploading any reference image. Then I sit back and enjoy my coffee while AI generates the thumbnails. Once they are ready, I observe the thumbnail carefully, comparing which one is more engaging and make my selection. But it's not done yet. I noticed something wrong with the Cam 2 photo that I need to change. So I click on AI Refine, select that specific area on the thumbnail and type the prompt. Change the guest face from Cam 2. So these are very easy and time-saving ways I use to make thumbnails. The question is, if this is great for content creators, what about professional thumbnail designers? Well, they are also using AI to turn boring design into interesting ones and speed up their workflow a lot. In fact, here are some examples of thumbnails for my YouTube channel that were designed by hired freelancers. Recently, I hired someone for a 4-minute voiceover and it cost me around $100. But honestly, now AI voice generation has changed a lot. They sound so realistic now, nothing like how they were in the beginning. I'm gonna play 2 sample voiceovers. Let's see if you can recognize which one is real.
Aboard the houseboat, every window is a frame, and every frame is a painting. As we drift slowly down the river.
Aboard the houseboat, every window is a frame, and every frame is a painting. As we drift slowly down the river.
Did you guess it? Okay, here are the process of how I create an AI voiceover. First, I select AI feature on the left side of the UniConverter interface and choose text-to-speech AI tool. Then I type or paste the text that I want to turn into a voiceover. Next, I adjust some settings. I start by selecting the language, English in my case. Then I choose the gender, either male or female, depending on the project. From the scenarios, I usually select narration, but you can also choose options like advertisement or education depending on your script. After that, I select the tone that best matches my content.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
You can always tweak the settings like speed, pitch, and volume to get the sound you're looking for. Finally, I preview the voiceover to hear how it sounds.
Aboard the houseboat, every window is a frame, and every frame is a painting.
If I'm happy with the result, I simply hit export to save the audio. It's a very simple process and with minimal cost. I can create high quality voiceovers with the help of AI. Still, human voiceover artists will always be in demand, especially for projects that require deeper emotions or more premium feels. Just like handcrafted products, a real human touch always carries a higher value. It seems like AI is getting closer to sounding like a real human voice. And that's something I noticed in the latest UniConverter update. The new emotion, pause, sounds, and smart enhance features help generate more natural and expressive speech. Let's try this.
Alright, I admit it. This is actually pretty cool. The first time I heard an AI voice, I thought, sure, that's impressive. But then something happened. Wait, seriously? That voice wasn't recorded by a real person?
Sometimes for client projects, I used to remove unwanted objects from the videos, manually using frame-by-frame masking, which was both time-consuming and difficult. But now, AI has become a game changer. It can remove unwanted objects from videos with just a few clicks. To do this, I simply open the Video Object Remover AI tool in UniConverter 17 and import the video that needs to be fixed. In this specific footage, I need to remove the bird on the left side of the frame. First, I make sure Remove Object option is selected, then I adjust the brush size if necessary. After that, I paint over the unwanted object, in this case the bird, to select that area. Next, I can preview the results if I want, or simply click the Remove and Export button to save the final video. It doesn't take much time to remove the selected object from the footage. Now let's compare the before and after versions side by side, so you can clearly see how effective AI can remove unwanted objects from a video. This is another great example of AI can help video editors work faster and more efficiently. By now we all know how common it is to use AI to write or correct scripts. But when it comes to creating YouTube videos, here is how I usually use it. I basically do it in two different ways. With the first way, I simply choose a topic, for example Falkland Islands, then I select the video types as a blog and set the platform to YouTube. I set the script tone to friendly and hit generate. This way the AI creates a great overall script for the entire video. The second way I do it is by adding specific details to the prompt. For example, I specify that it needs to be a short form video with a length of 50 seconds. Define the target audience and add other key points. I leave the rest of the settings as they are and hit generate. This allows UniConverter to make a unique script according to my exact needs. And it is not for just YouTube scripts. This feature can also help with many other writing tasks, making content creation faster and more efficient. So there is nothing to panic about when it comes to AI. Technology has been evolving for thousands of years, and the process will continue, creating new opportunities and new fields along the way. The best approach is to stay updated and become familiar with the new technologies rather than fear them. In my experience, AI is not here to replace the editors. It's here to help us work smarter and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.